I'm all about the boba tea.
Come on, let's get it on like that on
It's crazy. It's bigger than my face.
Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come
今晚走走吃一顿。This is at sanlitun.
on, give me something. The night is young.
I swear I've seen this store somewhere before. Another day of me being tempted to get matcha. That looks good. In case you're curious what Shake Shack sells in China, they have raspberry yogurt shake. I'm actually on the lookout for food right now. I came straight to this like shopping area. I gotta prioritize food as much as I'm feeling the FOMO to like quickly explore what's around here. We're headed to this place that sells tea flavored side dishes with hot pot, so let's go.
So are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young.
Boy, that took a bit out of me.
The night.
Our first Luckin coffee spotted. I'm in the lift up to where I think is the hot pot place, and I forgot I had my eyebrows on and I scratched it. Okay, well, I still have eyebrows. So. I got the tomato tea soup and I forgot what this is. Something mala. I ordered fresh tea high mountain beef with skin, and that's strong hand rolled noodles. So I have one more left, which is this ice cream cone looking thing, and that's the ice cream cone thing that I was talking about. It's big red rope smoked 3-line meat. This is tomato soup. Where's my spoon now? Did it not have a spoon? They don't have a spoon, so I'm just gonna drink it from the ladle. I do taste the tea. It's kind of like if you're like drinking tomato soup with like tea. I'm gonna bring this forward. Holy shit. Not sure how I'm gonna finish this. This is crazy. It's bigger than my face. Let me try to dismantle this.
Young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now.
哦，好，谢谢。我以为这个是茶。
对，这就是茶，可以喝皮加拉锅里做汤底的。
Oh, okay. So apparently we're only supposed to soak this in for like 15 seconds. I almost said 15 minutes, 15 seconds, because it's pretty thin. Pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna do the noodles now. Oh my god. I'm a sucker for noodles. Anyways, the lady was also telling me you can drink the tea and you can also use it for the hot pot. So that's pretty darn cool. Believe me, I was about to refill my cup and I was like, oh, well that's for the soup. She's like, no, it's multifunctional. This low-key feels like a mukbang. Maybe I should start doing ASMR content. This is the mala version. I feel like there is lamb infused in the mala soup. I don't know, maybe I missed it out somewhere. I don't really like lamb. Has that gimmicky taste. Yeah, I'm not a fan. It's official. I'm not gonna put any more meat in the mala soup. I'm just a little bit confused because mala is just beef mala soup, I think. Honestly, I don't remember anymore. I could be like misreading things. Noodles, handmade noodles. I would have ordered more, but I mean, look at this. Yeah, it's a lot. It is a lot. So I think this is just good, just nice. Good. I think overall, this is a pretty cool concept of like tea and like hot pot. The mala was so not it though. Taste of lemon in it, and I don't really taste the tea, but probably because it's too spicy to begin with. So also, I'm like the slowest consumer ever, so I eat really slow. Yeah. This is my hobby, eating, zoning out. Bye. So I got this gelato, it's white tea. Let's give it a try. 1, gelato. Most jelly to bottom. Oh. One more sip of tea before I go. I'm headed back to, where was that? Sanlitun. I'm actually in the middle of Sanlitun and T Mall, which are two big shopping areas. But I've decided to go to Sanlitun first because I need to get my milk tea, okay? Before it gets too late and I can't sleep tonight. Hey, we're tracing back our steps.
Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives.
Everything comes with bears. So cute.
The sun sets on fire. Tell me your desires. We're not getting tired. Baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that.
I've decided to walk away from that store because I kept thinking, do I want matcha? Do I want boba? I want boba. I'm more of a boba girl recently. Okay, ask anyone around me, they would say that I've been a little too obsessed with matcha previously, but now I'm all about the boba tea. Gnarly. I don't understand the directory, like they give us numbers but they don't have it outside the store, so I'm just gonna wing it, you know? Just keep walking. Cute. Well, that's the stretch I was walking along. Yeah, no, that's definitely not Jenny. I feel like a travel vlogger right now. Okay, let's go up. Sometimes I imagine that I'm bringing Todd along with me and I just know what to film. Like show what's around, the stores. You know, show him how China is like. Look, there's Jackson Wang. Sky's looking pretty good, pretty nice. I just need to quickly show you guys my outfit. If I zip it up, I look fat. Yeah, either way, it's screaming fashion disaster. All these walking and I still have not gotten my milk tea. At what point is it too late for me to get a milk tea? I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, what's this pop socket place about? Not a fan. What is this? This is so pretty. What? Look at this. Shin-chan? Oh my god, I'm sorry. I keep getting distracted, but normally I wouldn't really take videos of panda. Todd likes panda. Okay, I swear, this is just a compilation of me getting distracted. I am voiceovering this because the actual recording was me being really annoying. So I'm here in POPMART. I just wanted to look around and involve myself in the Labubu hype. And this is the visual representation of what am I even talking about? This is visual overstimulation. That's what I was trying to say. What the heck?
The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young.
I'm gonna head to T Mall now, the other mall with a lot of shopping. They have this Beijing-exclusive milk tea.
Let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could
I find it cool how they have this like standing thing just blinking. Maybe the first place that I should be looking for is the milk tea place before it gets too late, as I repeatedly say this for like the 5th time. Not gonna lie, I low-key feel like I'm one of those people who wear the Meta glasses and go around like talking. Let's have a look at this place.
be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me.
Wait a minute, isn't this kind of cute? What? Boy, imagine my excitement when I saw the Pokemon, because I was racking my brain thinking, what should I buy for Todd? And then I saw these Pokemon. Isn't it just perfect? He loves Pokemon.
Baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
secured.
And here we are, here to try the Beijing-exclusive milk tea.
Let me show you how we do it. We press scan and we scan this. So this is what comes up. I think this is some form of voucher. I don't understand, but I just keep clicking to redeem. I have to, here's another round of me constantly translating these because I literally struggle. I don't know why I'm doing like a step-by-step guide to this. So I've keyed in the order and it's 97. I guess I'll just wait. Okay, y'all, drink secured. Let's try it. Okay, let's see if it says what I got because I don't remember. Yeah! Milk tea. That's how it looks like. 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's a little sour. There's rice in it too. It's an acquired taste. This flower store smells really good. It's like a really cute cardigan, but it feels really rough, so. I like how they sprinkled, I'm guessing, pistachio shavings. Really good. I'm not a pistachio person, but this is good. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm just gonna end up looking at the clothing store and be like, I could probably buy this from Taobao for cheaper, or like, man, I'm not really that into it, do I really need it, you know? So I'm gonna compartmentalize, prioritize. I personally find these revolving dolls really cool. Like, how do you be putting a whole bouquet of, maybe they're fake flowers, but still, it's very impressive.
Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it.
They have these travel-sized versions, like English pear and freesia. They have Gucci Bloom. Juliet has a gun. Throw remover. They've really got a bit of everything.
Baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go.